Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description if you want to try this out on your own, and when you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. Okay, so 0 gives a 0. How about a 1? We've got negative 1/3. How about a 2? So there we got that infinity error. So maybe this is another rational function. We've been having a few of those lately. So we'll keep our eyes out for that. Let's look a little closer to 2. So 1.5. Now let's do 2.5. And that is what you'd expect to happen at an asymptote. It would go down on one side and then be coming down from the top on the other side. Let's go out a few more points here. How about a 4? Maybe an 8. Yeah, it looks like it's going to approach that x-axis as a horizontal asymptote. Let's see what's happening on the left side of the graph. Okay, so we're going up. It looks like the inflection change there. Let's try -2. Okay. So I think what we've got is 2 vertical asymptotes. So one here at 2 and one here at -2. Usually what that means is that on the bottom of your function, you've got a quadratic. It could be something else other than a quadratic, could be some higher power, but so x squared, and then to get 2 to blow this up, you'd put in a -4. And so if you entered in a 2 here, 2 squared is 4 minus 4, 0. Where the bottom of the fraction is 0, you're going to get that infinity error. If you put in a -2, same thing. It comes out as +4 minus 4. That's a 0. What about the top, the numerator of our rational function here? Well, I think that's going to be pretty easy because when you put in 0, you get out 0. So that means there has to be 0 on the top to get 0. So it might be as simple as this. Does that work with another point? Let's put in a 1. So that'd be 1 over 1 squared minus 4. Yeah, so 1 squared minus 4 is -3. So this is going to be -1/3. Exactly what we're getting. Let's actually predict one of the points from what's going to be the other arm here, the third arm over on the left. So let's put in a -3 and see what we should get. So that'd be a -3 on the top and then -3 squared minus 4. So -3 and -3 squared is 9 minus 4 is 5. So -3/5 is what we should get when we put in a -3. So let's try that. Yeah, and -0.6 is -3/5. So I think we've got this. We predicted that point accurately. Let's go ahead and reveal. Yep, x over x squared minus 4, and let's graph that as well. Yeah, and you can see the 3 arms of those functions, rational functions with the quadratic on the bottom, giving you the 2 vertical asymptotes. Kind of a pretty looking function. How did that go for you? Were you thinking rational? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.